13 years old. But his story gets more incredible from there.
This is impressive. The Atlanta News First Surprise Squad reaching out to help him over a roadblock in his mission to help others.
Today's Surprise Squad brings closure to a story we first brought you here last week. Caden Harris graduated high school at the age of 13 and is well on his way to financial success.
This is an impressive young man. He wants other people to be financially savvy too, but his mission, well, it hit a roadblock. The Surprise Squad stepped in to help. Here's Beaver Toyota.
The Atlanta News First Surprise Squad is sponsored by United Community, Beaver Toyota of Cumming, and Van Sant Law Accident Attorneys.
This is my financial bus that teaches kids how to earn, save, budget, and invest their money.
14-year-old Caden Harris came on ATL Live to talk about using an old school bus to teach young people financial literacy.
It has an awesome lock bank, so once they go to the lock bank, they're able to learn how to deposit and withdraw their money.
He had no idea the Atlanta News First Surprise Squad was waiting for him. Are you Caden?
Yes, I am.
Hi, I'm Beaver Toyota.
It's great meeting you.
I'm with the Atlanta News First Surprise Squad. We learned the bus was dark and Caden's passion on pause.
No power, so you can see why it was delaying, kids.
Someone stole the bus's generator while Caden was in Washington at the invitation of the White House, speaking at the U.S. Treasury.
With the generator being gone, we can't give power to the lights, the monitors, the tablets.
The Atlanta News First Surprise Squad was about to give light to Caden's mission. Well, guess what the Atlanta News First Surprise Squad has for you, Caden?
What? Wow! Thank you guys so much. This is awesome. This is going to help so many kids. This is exactly what they're going to need. Thank you so much.
What do you think?
I love it. This is going to be so awesome.
As a banker, financial literacy is my passion. And again, on behalf of United Community and myself, we thank you.
1, 2, 3.
The generator wasn't the only surprise we had up our sleeve.
Tickets for 4 to the Atlanta Braves. Wow. It's a certificate there on the top, but tickets for 4 plus parking, so you can have a blast at an Atlanta Braves game.
Thank you so much.
Very welcome.
This is awesome.
Congratulations.
This is amazing. I just keep getting more and more surprises.
Yeah, man, hats off and congratulations on doing some absolutely amazing work.
I love it. This is going to be awesome. I love the Braves.
You got a favorite player?
I would say Acuna.
And we figured, you know what? You needed a little something else when you go to the ballpark.
Wow. Thank you so much. My very own.
Who's on the back?
Acuna's on the back. It's like you guys knew me. Thank you so much.
We know one thing, Caden. You are doing good and will do even greater things in the future.
1, 2, and 3.
For Atlanta News First Surprise Squad, I'm Beaver Toyota.
Okay, who